Coming from the bones, says find a home.